Me, I don't F with no morphle. I don't F with no morphle. I don't F with no morphle. I don't F with no morphle.
Yes. What's up? I'm on your Servo Dubai. I go with the name Moses Mac Blay right here in the studio. One more time. Azama Koya Miami Nonalo. Azama Miami Gababa. Allah Yoli Pinia. Get on social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. AFLAO. MDIA. Well, I'm on you. Allah Yoli Bania Sugonto. Ajabi Abazan, Joga Abazan. But let me know. Allah Yawa. But Paul and Nadia. School low, Basma, officer low. Share never dollar, just share like me the Kukunami. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the show, Charlie. Bon, azome yaniwa ajavio le zoala. Bon, alayi yabia ogbare. Bon, school azon officer la lo pass malade. Do to me or about javina. Listen to what my guests have for you tonight. Charlie, ajavio le zoala. Hey, I'm on you. Logo, kukula. Charlie, apo abazoma mfume yamu gwere le zoala. All the way from Sagacity, Scalish, how are you? Elazama, where's Elegbejina? Hey, how are you? Oh, I like that. Dan. Okay, I like you. I like you. Oh, sharp. But, you know, I like a black colors. I wouldn't have to be in a Agrafia. Hopefully. Princess, Charlie, on YouTube, Audio Mark. Princess, right? Princess, thank you. So, watch out for him. Amanyo, abale imagrina, maba alaidali. Isalama, alaialia, alaina ajavio. Yeah, the matter we did today, it punch the nigga men them a face straight. Yo, this be the matter. Make I go straight. Yeah, alaialia, yenyebanata. Owajavi, and no, how to choose them like Owajavi, you know, area that as a man. If you are a community area, like about 20 years in the Fiaqua, you go about change it. About Poga, you can't be la flower, Yagata la flower fiaco. Kayaka, you can have a gaqua. You couldn't shit dummy. The Jolo Bajavi, maybe for a good reason, maybe many of Bajavi like community Akatangwa. I'm a Shadaya, Amisu, other Jolo community over whom you correct. A Jolo over whom you what they want, the zero, unless you know whatever a changing. Yeah, you see money, so you just left. Your homies, like you just left them anyhow, yeah. Just because you get money at a point in time, leaving your hood boys. If it be you, where that thing happen to, let's imagine say like it be you where somebody left just like that. How you go feel?
We all will be boys, you understand? As we grow, things they change. At a point in time, maybe the time that nigga get the money, we left in friends. Sometimes you know, be the nigga you really say you will leave your friends behind. You understand? But the connect, you understand? Maybe the time when you go there plus your friends from the scratch. At that time, business they count, some move they count. You understand? So you know, be say I understand a way like some boys will feel left them as friends behind, but sometimes too.
I'm at the ones.
Yeah, sometimes you know, say you left them the mindset. You know, sometimes if changes they come like that, like you see more things ahead. You understand? So I don't know, but sometimes me I understand people where they react like that. You know, be the man we say they will leave them as friends behind. You know, but sometimes we go for they meet new people where they will connect you to things
So just imagine say maybe you like a way woman like a feel. How you will feel?
You see, sometimes like with the person
you understand say okay yo maybe we say I'm a never change level 10 or so.
Oh yeah, definitely I will understand. Maybe something where almost happen to boys, like it happen among we guys,
really?
Right? Yeah, it happen, bro.
It happen.
Oh, it happen. Boy, if there's somebody go feed the room, the person you put the person on, you understand? Food, everything, internet, like those kind of things. You know the person can put on like it neglect you. You say you just can understand like if you know my life goes on, bro.
Life goes on.
Yeah, life goes on. That's all life is all about.
To you there.
That moment I will feel like no, I feel disappointed. But you know that's life for you. You are growing. Things change.
Alayiwa, bakanjiwa, yaman polo leso wala ya. The matter you talk, yeah. I should say, you know, viewers there, they will follow you, Jeje. I will get back to you.
Alright,
Scarlett.
Alright, bro.
Princess.
Yo,
Amanya alaya malo.
Alaya. I don't know, man, because it happens every day. And because forward never, backwards never. Then you know, Javi and Tono, she done me, and me, she done me speed.
Okay, I thought she
yes, speed.
California, amanya is legal. Moto. Hello.
Yeah, she unless a play VVIP role, then you will make him. Come on, my take power ball. Why my machine, machine.
Yeah.
Fast.
Like I feel.
Normal, I'm not going to be normal feeling. I'm going to band to America. Oh, it be normal, it be progress in life, you know.
Yeah,
changes.
Just adapt to it. It changes life.
What's Sunamo? I never saw Ajaviro. You play with Javiro, and I go America change it quite over. One side.
You see, because it happens. We don't have no good.
I want you to do. Hello? That one be something will be normal.
Yeah.
Very. Princess. Alayiwa, never follow, let's see. I don't go back, boss. Damn.
Yeah, man.
Ram.
Rumbling. That's the name. I want to then after I want to I want to issue any animal already go in line with them.
But feel now.
Never feel in the crowd.
Oh.
No, I never play about day one. Now me and any mobile make it. Go, I ask you to go just for no reason. Yeah. Gary and the guy play with you. They play with Gary. I'm like,
what play what guy?
Oh,
You never Jeva. Tell you where I sang Jeva.
yeah, I will get money in a way. I'm a kind of Shimpia. I don't know what they want my kind of share. In a way, I'm a put in a week. I got a million to Gary.
Sure.
We do my Gary Macahani. I smell grandma. You're supporting Morgan.
Maybe a way friend I had time band
or activity Morgana. You can never want to watch it. I don't know one corner.
You are not like true. Let you know about like normal. You can allow them to agia. Malawi no. But I'm a guy Joshi. I'm a guy area.
I got Fima Magata a true lema. No, I never. This is that's what we call a million of a brotherhood. Brotherhood. You never. You all go out. You don't break that change.
Yeah.
Don't break it. Let us all grow as we are going. Not a change here. I have an area that I'm a area.
I thought to learn as you are not sent. I don't have
I not told them, I'm not possible. So I let you know when you're done. Oh, my associate. I do that. They can't talk.
And now we space in the main space.
Because next she them no I speed up. The more I got speed up, I have a long low. I have you my good man.
Speeding. If you don't take that, you go crash. Hello?
I don't know my good to all of my channel. I don't know I want to feel bad. All of the food very bad. Me and better you know together. What man that do
say ajabia tansa ajabia ama wo chen ejakwa ya wo chen ejakwa abo anya ba iba mo viwa na yil campa ajaduma ya bla oh akpadada oh jemu club mu anyhow
agwa ma nyama bana bana dari na me gashi ameka na cheje a Unto I want to do several. Niveau no ashiwo. Amanya na ojeja. Kwa ya jaga to koko na ko play na shori.
Oh.
Amagbeto to ya do background do kio. Ba ma ya te background ma do ma fiama na dogola.
Bia mo gbegbe aita ojojo le buda me.
E ba ato taga de hali go na ba Rich Connect. Amanya Rich Connect ma ala gons go nto wan na. Oh ala gons.
Na ma lo mo gba baya.
Amanya ala gons go. Because now Rich Connect anya do la mo ala ko ga bia atano association member. I got the food.
Away ma bu ha na sure be join convoy.
Convoy like amanya. Put my down na kwa no.
Ti go ma na sure. Le we join convoy. Ala gbele ya. Ta wa gbo wa ma na
nyama ibe ma si nyama to amanya na amanya lo nyama iri ala u acha ma klo ma ya nyama jia
asukoni o ramli ma bora ba me ya to ma go
Ngoro ko ni fiya.
Do pata wo de ni wanyo ko amanya
Ange jwa.
oh abla bula
Odo na ri. Fi na to yije. Fi mo to na di.
okay
Fi na to yije, fi mo to na di. Sometimes wa mi ona
ata to fi ayi ja to fi adidia
o kama won ta mo video ku.
oh
Sometimes do worry. Mistake do mi wona re. Mistake mo wa do na mtu na nyam in the future me go now. Because me when I say, oh, it's my life. Tell me the process I'm making, maybe I make money, I make success. Somebody to stop supporting you, pushing you. Because none of them are buying that.
right
So when you are in them, I will upload that.
so that of agado family ah chama
you never back to your office.
na you dun correct
You might have come and never do as you want to get here. I should tell one to go.
oh
That's something
that's parazo atutu
Kola David obi
that's that love here ni aji agbe
That's sometimes though I'm gonna mistake more. When you many of my family were at the time.
actually
I see the quick I see the most I'm going to business because of business I have to change environment. I have to do this, I have to do that. Sometimes worry. When you are thinking of that, thinking of who is behind you, who supported you. That when moving down. I'm don't want to hear most of some Amodo work here, no pocket here, Abola plow, no pocket here, no movie, a cracker. When I 2-bedroom, if they are ready to make new friends to accompany them. It could be old friends you know struggling, look at I forget to but I know my going there. What the motor on their ship, Sinama the June. No, my going there, they don't take them. I think I feel because neither maybe child
buy na credila
I my buy na king me born there.
Rollers
regular over na kwa ha pipi wali o piajo vovasa se ando nya ta sometimes do na mo na ready but ya move from your old place. I know it's a progress. Never oh you're not again. It's a very nice thing. And make sure the people that supported you, the people that were behind you, through your struggling, they struggle with you, push you up. You will know what. I'm like you're not about Taji. Again, sometimes no have White House. The more Tomago, me no mistake do worry of our faith with
that good
if you are a get equally, no make equally, help your people around you, push them, go necessarily. One as you don't know where I for Blake
and Yankee. motivational quotes, alo advice do when you move shadow in and I know bring it down.
Places.
2
minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay. Unless I play VVIP role, then I see you to be very, very important. Then you will progress, you will make me. Yeko, my power, me and you will fit do alongside. Let's use this as an example. And you play Kini, yeah, me na sure, Gaja, me wanna lie, yo. Yeah, like we the owner that be the same place. Right now, Kini songs they blow.
How old she artist?
In songs they blow. Right now, I'm not sure say you go remember my name, sir. You understand me? And I'm okay. Because Susita Maglonya but link up Mama Gadi. I like Mama Gadi.
Connect is not there.
You understand me? And that's a progress. Now, no, but then you play ice cream so me the level my fiat when you play Kini or me. I don't like your background fair. Yeah, you forgive me that respect. Say like that link no day. If you understand,
always go on and no more
music industry, no do level there. I'm gonna carry you do a bona go. Tama gati ukogwenya wako na mabubu. What push you as you understand me? So some things advice are low do yeah. They are good. One match player.
Good boy fiakwa, a toaster fiakwa. You gonna shit dominate me, just like that.
Machine pop.
No, you're the good fiakwa now. I play show don't have a plug on.
Blade, bomb me there. Not a poga. In a trouble, low good man, you play me about you, the home. Naga trova ide gato duma. Ya kwa liwe business a you play to I may I be to a slow. So yeah, no matter the idea, like environments
yeah.
So you link up with the
you adopt to the things you see around you.
Sharp.
Rich connect.
Connect with rich people. And you have connect in a day. I mean, a share Yamate connect here.
Yeah, that's what I want to talk about.
Connect here.
I'm gonna play for my
daughter. Music from music aspect. Now, Madame Bloom, artists they are blowing music aspect. Management trying to help him to grow up. That one artists are at that point. I'm a tell and then about manager Stonewall small boy. Kevin Boy when you're living. Because Stonewall have found out Black Sea about time have you. Because yeah, any push. As I go that Jigana to the artist gonna have that sign another artist are most of it no. Relevant to them. As I go Tanya Bromola, King had to push. Voir something but when we are King had to because into is under management. Somebody's pushing him to. As I go music side I'm a good one. We talk about the business aspect. For me, forget look at motivational quotes. Me forget quotes. Me van to me about everyday life. I been with me like mistake do like never wear I try about 10,000 times. Mistake do never wear. One time I'm going to in K-Walk. I mean, me and a job by then, if I have faith. You know, come on. So, me business card, you can take connect over friend. Even though I got a show, maybe I'm a done for show, or you know, Tabata for Lana, Alakana, but we are done for now. Around you are we have friends. Home Katarashua. I mean, I don't know. And support on another. And I do have one another. And a Jew of one another. Can't listen to my clever. who will support you, who always support you, who defend you. I like a work backhand and I get that. My gonna backbite now. Low and over Gino. I have work up now. I got a business.
Can I do now? I'm not gonna clear on it. I'm going to talk about my
na jeshi kholo wa anya yi ka won ne asago ma oba na ba oba kholo ama the one over the one ama mama ala ready be akudeta o ala ready be akudeta
the one no gborogo shi
ama agba na shi na the one ama ba on to ha sell out le je the one ke ha ya o ma o ya be to ha sell out what never ba the one ada mama na my I defend o lo nsham mo asago ma if you are over the teaches a man how to fish rather than giving him fish always. As I go on. Now, Naomi, you got a yeah, never make it. I don't know how to or I feel more.
Show me the road.
Follow who no road. And if you follow who no road, come on.
You for come with that kind of money.
Charlie,
I'm a man of ball.
Follow who no road. Hey, Charlie, our chef viewers, Charlie, follow who no road. Applaud media Fia Kumilea, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Charlie, subscribe na mila kukula. Mila nyane into applaud media from Kumilema. Scottish. Jema ya talk about you. But Jema na talk about last line like I'm all stand against you. I'm a I got support too.
Oh yeah.
Still are they like change over say.
Oh, I just like them like what we do the concept.
Princess.
Yeah, like the way you talk on. Charlie, if you live, you don't understand. If there's ups and downs. I in the day self, that person way you get money way, you can't dog yourself. Charlie, you go figure get money. If they happen, this thing bro with the streets. Streets with
More than
no, I got that street. You understand? That nigga go figure money, dog me. When me I go take and say, Obi. Like that man nigga to be motivation for me.
Yeah.
That one say go push me. Say, hey, this nigga, bro. Make a push.
Listen, the team pay you.
Charlie, wait, bro. That's motivation for you. It depends on the way you take and go.
Make it sure.
You understand? It depends on the way you take and go. If you know, say me and this nigga, this boy with the two way, maybe he get another move from my side, where he chop from my side. Where he pay me, say, okay, he chop the move, we no put me on. That one say be full motivation for me. You don't understand? So I just go take and go. It's one of those things. Well, you know, say at the end of this, I'm going to get money past that nigga. That nigga go money. Will. So Charlie, that goes on, bro.
So we normal.
No, bro. If you no stress, man.
Yeah.
We understand say you go figure get money pass am. That one no be anything. But sometimes what we need to say, street, if you support somebody for support you.
That be idea, man.
That be the thing. No be say you can't get more account. Fine.
Who make
That be destiny.
Who make am so? Who make that be my point? Who make am say?
That be the rule. That be
don't support something. You know they show love to somebody. Expect in return.
Okay.
You dey do am. If the person feel like,
No.
No.
That way the teachers them are code that.
Which
Teacher, what did they make?
You know, I don't understand what they talk. And they don't have the respecting point to what they talk. Who say it is so easy? If you
no, in the human nature, it not be so easy.
No.
Okay, imagine you be artist. Somebody they support you, they sing. Where you can't blow, you forget your manager. Imagine what your manager. You will be the manager. You will take a light. Say make you go.
We have, so we get people where they have that forgiving and letting go out.
No, but you go panic they will. Complain they will.
Bro,
see
that panic then that thing they inside yourself, they eat you up. Your spirit.
No. That was
the person dog me. Well, always I think about the person. You know go motivate me. And I feel like If inside go slow me, you
Yeah,
understand?
yeah.
So I just go let go.
Let's go there.
I go accept like
Go cast some
normal
new
day.
vibes.
Bro,
No.
it go make sense. I go focus.
It is a let's go be easy.
Blake, but anyare. Yata no battle anya.
Oh, yeah.
Being kakakari.
Right.
No be ako mila go amanyo. Sabi go na tari. Fi otu itiare.
Yeah, fi mo go na di na.
Wa me no na ma do won kunu adi. Wa tu na ma. Amaka mo ga won kunu bo kwa no ko na sijori. Amanya, mana ga play na show na no. Let me won kunu adi.
That's right.
Sure.
Brotherhood.
You don't break the chain. Amanya, but not Magadu area ko. I forget area. As I did blow mokona and the coffee and amado. And Yanto Blomo. That's a man. Not do good area. I'm a do area of my very hall. 3-bedroom flats.
Go buy
3-bedroom. I would have got a
I will provide new friends.
Like I don't
That individual choice. That be what the person want to do with money. If you play backside, they watch, but no complain.
That what no, and the talk saying
You
the
understand?
consequences will go count.
Which consequences? What?
Spelling because now princess customer. I never know that you order my
Princess, okay. Yeah. Short intro.
Cleanses. KLEENSERS. Yeah, man.
Okay, video.
I call that boy, man. Rise and fall. You like some. You see the thing you talk right now. I'm at the rise or fall. Yeah, boy, you know me. I got rise. Can you kill that shoe?
Rise,
See what they ask. What they go? Ask what they go. Where you see? No, these people are for do away with them before the next level go fit come. You do away with them before the next blessing come.
But people today sad self it day no you know go anywhere by you make am.
You know how many people sad dog? You know how many
That's the
people
question.
dog?
That's the question.
Yeah, but you know dog the country.
Yeah. No, you know the ones they
If you won't cope with me, as I grow up to some level, if for sure that kind of seriousness bringing up, then I'll see hold your hand.
Places over point time me get there. Azagoma over point time me get there. Sammy, your last word.
Sometimes do are traveling or exchange of environment here, but be careful how you change it because that changing can bring you down. Most of times, I don't have to
You mind tell me
I just thought, why am I doing that? Yeah, it happened. You can go about the one.
so just be careful.
Just be careful how you, and it is not right to do it.
Oh, okay.
It's not right to
It's
do
not
it.
right. It's not right to do it. Don't do it though. Never from Black Alema. Family. While I know. 1 minute, you know.
About to go go Amanya. Na make here. Don't go home
Me and my bros.
Don't forget.
Me and my bros.
Don't forget. That brother would love you, but if you're not together. Brother would love you, but not together. Don't break that chain.
Rambling. Point speed. Scalish. 1 minute, video.
And that's it, you know. Just show people love, but don't expect love in return.
Yeah.
If you show someone love and the person feel like, okay, what the person did for me, I have to return it. Just it's cool to accept. But if the person doesn't show you, Charlie, just remove, bro. We don't think about that.
We move them for
Yeah, bro. No, that's we decide not to move. We decide to stick there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Move them for everybody.
Move, bro. So just show love. Do what you think you can do for someone.
If
the person doesn't appreciate, Charlie, just
if it happens to you, it's normal.
Yeah, it'll be normal, bro. Life goes on.
Yeah.
But then if a friend, some people they have families they don't even talk to.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand? So how much more street? Charlie, I met you on street.
Alaya, no people know Alaya. When you go, Charlie, I want you. You tell me Salaya can you imagine you all the block. File share the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, but subscribe. Upload media, smack me, my own to anyone. Our was in play. On the channel, Maria. Oh, 7 votes. I don't know what we find. I like it. I don't do it.
I don't F with no muffle. 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 Who? Me? I don't F with no muffle. 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 I don't F with no muffle.
Overcome cause we coming with some fire. But we grinding for the money with no time. Yeah, nah, yeah, but no tell them say we coming live. We don't fuck with things you I just straight, just say goodbye. Overcome cause we coming with some fire.